This is often asked question in our clinical rounds, right from third semester. Nowadays we are calling it second year, and especially this is a favorite question for old timers, for professors from 1980s and 70s. In initial days, acute cough has been defined up to 1 month, but later it has been revised with advent of science because many things have been found out. So they have revised it down to 3 weeks from 1995. The original duration of acute cough was 4 weeks, means 1 month, but now it is 3 weeks or less than that. That's it. Subacute means from original 1 month to second month, but now it is from third week to second month. This is subacute cough. You need not remember these things. You not try to memorize. Just with experience and common sense, we can remember.